it. This is the new sledding rig for this coming riding season. Super excited. This is a 2002 Dodge Ram 2500, obviously turbo diesel. Not the first 02 2500 turbo diesel that I've owned. This is actually the second one. I owned one before I made the channel and it was very, very expensive. I couldn't afford a snowmobile while I owned it. But now I have a snowmobile and a diesel. So yeah, this should be fun. I know probably what you're thinking. It's missing a bumper, but that's actually just sitting right over there. It was a little bit rough, so I took it off to redo it a little bit. Gonna be painting it black and everything, but also another thing I wanted to work on today was right here. This is pretty common for the 02 Dodges. Well, I mean probably for any of the Dodges really, but for the paint to chip right along the bottom right here. It's on both sides on this truck. My last truck it was on as well. And all I did was just got some cheap vinyl off of Amazon and I just vinyl wrapped this whole black piece all the way down to there and it got rid of that. So I'm gonna be doing that again on this truck. And yeah, so that should clean that up quite nicely. So anyway, enough talking. There's a new unit. Hope you guys like Dodge videos. I know there's definitely some better YouTubers out there that work on Dodges a lot. Greg A, you know who you are. So yeah, I don't know. This is my truck and we're gonna be getting it all set up and ready for winter. Gonna be throwing some bigger tires on it, stuff like that. So should be cool. Hope you guys enjoy the video and let's get working on this thing. Alright, so just on the passenger side here, I actually did this side first so that I had a little better idea as to how to do it before I filmed. But yeah, so it's not too bad. Usually turns out pretty good. On the right lights, I mean right about there, you can still see there's edges from where the paint was chipped, but it's far less noticeable now and it's way better looking. Hey, you can see my reflection in there. Hi. Here, let me flip you guys around here. Oh, I hit something on the camera. There we go. Yeah, so usually what I do is just kind of take the heat gun after it's roughly on and just go around the edges with it to really just help seal up the edges and get them stuck down really good. And it doesn't hurt along this edge here. Along this edge here to leave like 1/8 of an inch or 1/4 inch extra to fold around the edge, because even in factory when they do it, they actually leave it folded over. So that's not a bad thing. Yeah, so that's kind of more or less that. I guess we'll get working on the bumper or something now. I guess we'll see what I decide, but you guys will be seeing that right now. So there it is. Definitely not perfect, but that is okay, because otherwise I won't want to change it. So yeah, that'll do for now. Basically, yeah, so with the plastics, they did used to look a lot rougher than this, but if you take a propane torch to them, it actually takes all the sun fade out of them and stuff, and they actually look quite a bit better. They're definitely far from perfect still. They're still a bit rough, but they're better than what they were. So did that on the lower plastic and upper plastic on the front here. Still got to put the license plate cover on, or mount on, I should say. But yeah, I'm kind of feeling like the grill also needs to be black. I'm not going to be doing that right away though. So yeah, anyway, that's kind of it for now, I think. And till some parts get here for the front end. Yeah, that's more or less it. So if you guys enjoyed the video, if you want to see more working on the sled hauler here, let me know in the comments below, and we can definitely make that happen. There's definitely a lot more things I've planned for the truck, whether or not, you know, plans always change, mine gets changed, all that stuff. But anyway, so hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Peace. Subscribe.